Alright, we put it there on this spot, Jason. You can't just serious all the time. Give us a fisherman joke. Yeah, come with it. And make sure it's good in a Jason.
Well, I do not really have a lot of fishing jokes and all of that. Me and my friends would always just run jokes on each other, like regular jokes, you know. But I've heard people ask this one before. Why are fish so smart? And the answer is because they swim in school. So,
that's a good one, Jason. Good one. Jason, you're having the chance to meet up with 100 of your subscribers, me and Leisa in it.
Yeah, and 98 more.
So tell us, where you done do it with? Where you done go?
Care we go?
Yeah, what would we set the scene?
Experience be like?
Let me hear if we'd enjoy that.
If I could meet up with 100 of my subscribers, I would love to be on a beachfront on a nice, sunny, calm day, well festive with a lot of fish. It would actually be like a camping, but we start from in the day. We go out hunting fish, come back, cook some food, play games and all of that, and camp out right through the night. So it would be a vibe like that for me if I got the chance to meet up, or get the chance to meet up with 100 of my subscribers.
As we've said already, Jason, we do find you inspirational. We find you awesome. Yeah. You know? And it's the truth. We're not just bigging you up for that sake. We find you inspirational. So tell us, a year from now, let's say a year from now, where do you see yourself on your channel?
Well, in a year from now, I would love to see myself on my channel, you know, at the top. The sky is the limit for me. I'm actually going to put a number to it. In a year from now, I am looking at 100k subscribers on my channel in a year from now. So I'm working towards that, and with the help of God, I will definitely achieve it.
Listen out for this, Joe. Listen out. Alright, Jason. You find yourself stranded on an island for a couple of days. Maybe 3 or so days. Yeah, you only have a knife. We want you how you da manage. Tell us what you da plan to do.
Well, I am a survivor. I will definitely survive that 3 days, and could survive more too. First of all, I will search for a water source. With my knife, I know I can actually get some food. Once there's something that is moving there, I will actually use my knife to kill that for food, or I'll go hunt for fruits and all that kind of stuff. But I definitely would survive. If water is there, that have fish or anything like that, that is like 150% chance of surviving for me. Yes, so I am a survivor. I would survive that.
Alright, you da cook food, you da hunt. But you hear anything about fire? How you da get fire? Fire. What? Sushi! Sushi! Oh, raw fish. Sushi. But think about it, Jason. And people in the comments tell us, if you were stranded on an island and all you have was a knife, what you da do? How you da manage? You know, some people are Girl Guide and Brownie and Scout and learn to start fire with. Yeah, Jason, you have to learn that. You have to learn that. So this is the quick fire round, Jason. First question, don't think about it too much, just answer. Yeah. Fish or lobster, which one do you prefer?
Well, I love them both. I think I had more fish than lobster, because you know, lobster comes with season and all of that. So I only have lobster in lobster season. I have fish like right through, but I really do love them both. If I should choose between fish and lobster, I would choose fish, because lobster only tastes like lobster. Fish, you have different types of fish that taste a different way, you know, so you can get different taste from different fish. So I'll choose fish over lobster for the variety.
Guys, make sure you're watching this to the end. Some epic bleeps and blunders. Big blunder. I tell you no, if you need to pee, go and no. Oh. Right, next one. Jamaica or foreign? Oh.
Almost the same answer. Love them both. I spend most of my time in Jamaica. I love Jamaica, the climate, the ocean and all of that. Really love Jamaica. You know, we don't have no snow and all of that way. We have to stay in or lock in. We can be outside like most of the time. So, in terms of foreign now, I've been there, but never stayed there for extended period where I could actually choose between Jamaica and foreign. But based on what I've seen and what I've experienced, I really love the vibe and all of that. Yeah, and you know how that go when you go, and you don't have to pay your own bills and all that. Everything is nice, but when it reaches the point where you have to pay your own bills and do everything for yourself, then maybe that would be the part where the decision would come right back down to Jamaica. But yeah, I really love both based on my experience.
Alright, what kind of day you like the most? Rainy day or sunshiny day?
Well, definitely no want enough rain, because I'm a diver. I prefer work with the sun, because if the rain fall enough, the river going come down, the water go start look dirty, and we can't go get for dive. So sunshine for me.
Alright, Jason, back at you, and this is your opportunity. Take it. Think about this one. If you had to big up maybe 5 of your supporters, or don't give them a limit. Alright, big up. Use this opportunity and big up some of your supporters. Take it away, Jason.
Alright, first of all, before I even start singling out people, I want to send a big shout out to all of my supporters, all my subscribers, all the viewers, everybody who supports me on this channel. Alright, I want to send a special shout out to Cray Spearfishing Adventure. He helped me out a lot with this channel. That girl Cleo, send big shout out to her as well. Send a shout out to Dempy and Turks right now. Yeah, support me right through all the way. Yeah, man. Big up everybody who soon will start supporting this channel as well. And the sky is the limit, as I said before, and we're just gonna keep pushing, doing what we love, and one day it will like get the big break. Alright? Yeah, man. I also want to send a special shout out to Michael Willis, one of my subscribers. He's been supporting me like in a lot of ways. Like if I need stuff, you know, he will actually go ahead and help me out in getting stuff for the channel growth and all of that. So special shout out to Michael Willis as well. Yeah, man.
Well, it's been our absolute pleasure to have brought to you today an interview with Jason from Yaad Style Fishing.
Thank you very much for having me on your show. It's my pleasure being here. You can find me on Instagram as Yaad Style Fishing, Facebook as Yaad Style JA, and YouTube as Yaad Style Fishing Adventure.
He's an awesome young man that we think will go far, go places, and please help him to get to that 100K. Yeah, his big dream, 100K by next year. And it's certainly possible with your support. Because he has really awesome content. It can be shared, I feel, with schools, with you know, students who need to learn about different aspects of our fauna and flora and fisheries and so on in Jamaica. Yeah. So big him up. Pass on this, share out this video so that others can see it and can enjoy the content as well. And thank you again, Jason, so much for being here with us. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, thank you to whoever recommended that we interview Jason
I
from
think
Yaad
it was
Style.
Cray Spearfishing.
Cray Spearfishing suggested Yaad Style that we interview you. So thanks to Cray.
Been awesome.
And guys, if you have any other suggestions, just drop them for us in the comments below and we'll try to reach out. Or if you can reach out so that they get to us, we'll do this interview.
Yes, our email is in the description
yes.
box below.
We'll do an interview with Joleisa and share it out with you.
Oh.
Thank you. Bye. Lisa, say bye. Bye. What's number one question?
Welcome back to this
No,
episode
more.
of an interview.
No, interview with Joleisa.
Yeah.
I'm Joe. We're
Yeah.
straight up like and dry. Them party should come together. That next question. If you just
So, music. So, music. So, music.
I will know. You okay. 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 Hell, listen to me, I won't stay shut. Top up my tea.
You want some more?
Yeah. Ooh. Wee. Thanks. Alright, back to Jason. Lisa, you take, put this here so or put them in the middle together?
No, put them, separate them out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
But people not even gonna see that draw.
Ah,
Anyway, but
yes, the time.
the best anyway.
Alright. You have the card ready, Lisa? Oh. Yeah. The only thing.